So we have said my Shahada in Kandahar about 17, 18 days ago. My current name, Mohammed Akbar Khan, was given to me by a couple friends in Kandahar, Nakib and Jalil. My previous name, Edward Stanbro. So we took the Torkham land border from Peshawar into here on the February 11th. I think it's been about 23 days, 24 days. We had 5 nights in Kabul. We had 5 nights in Kandahar. Drove back up through Kabul into Bamiyan and Bandi Amir. I flew up to Mazar-e-Sharif for 3 nights. I took a bus from Mazar, or we did Samangan in bulk as well. Took a bus into Maymana and then another bus into Herat. We had 2 days in Herat. Very nice people there as well. And then I visited Kandahar a second time for 3 nights as it was my favorite city. And now we're back in Kabul since yesterday morning. People have been so hospitable, probably the friendliest in the world. Afghanistan, we get propaganda in the West, but nothing like we see here. It's very, has been one of my favorite countries. So we converted or reverted in Kandahar. Since being in Kandahar about 2 weeks ago, we have over 1,100 new Facebook friends. My Facebook account went from 700 into 1,800. In Herat, when I was at the Blue Mosque as well, doing Friday prayer, we had about hundreds of people just surrounding me, kissing my forehead, shaking my hand, taking selfies. Someone else took a video and posted in Herat, and I think it's now at like over 250,000 views as well. So people have been nothing but kind, amazing people, really enjoying. I feel very happy, yeah. We have studied Islam a little bit here and there over the past couple of years. We took a new Muslim course online for free. We have a couple Qurans that we've read some surahs in. Previous trips we've contemplated taking the Shahada, it just has not happened. But once being in Afghanistan, just really loved the people, really loved their faith. Just wanted to be a part of such a beautiful religion. Yeah, so was in Kandahar, just walking through the bazaars, ended up meeting a couple people, just in the crowds of people surrounding me, just being a tourist. We went up to like a roof of a building and we said it more seriously there, I would say. We offered my first prayer a few minutes later as well, so have a video of that, I believe. A bit embarrassing for the first time, but the prayers will get better. Just you always hear people here saying religion of peace, religion of beauty, beautiful religion. Just respect people's faith and like loyalty to their faith and adherence to be so strict and pray 5 times a day. Even taking a bus in Afghanistan, the bus will pull over during the time of prayer and everyone off the bus gets off and pray. So just you don't see that in other Muslim countries. Just really respect the people here and their faith. I would say keep an open mind. Was not really religious before, but just seeing the people, seeing different countries, get out there and travel to Muslim countries. A lot of people in the West are scared to visit Muslim countries. They see Islam in a different light, but when you're a part of the Muslim culture and Muslim countries, you experience like the most hospitable people you'll ever meet in the world. Yeah, I would recommend just keep an open mind, read some surahs in the Quran. It's a religion of peace, a beautiful religion. La ilaha illallahu Muhammadur Rasulullah.
إن الدين عند الله الإسلام.
دين الإسلام سلام، دين الإسلام سلام، دين الإسلام سلام، نهر يسقي دنيانا. دين الإسلام سلام، دين الإسلام سلام، دين الإسلام سلام، يوصلنا إلى مرسانا. دين الإسلام سلام، دين الإسلام سلام، دين الإسلام سلام، نهر يسقي دنيانا. دين الإسلام سلام، دين الإسلام سلام، دين الإسلام الإسلام سلام يوصلنا إلى مرسانا. يا أيها العالم يا أيها العالم يا أيها العالم صمتا واسمع شكوانا. يا أيها العالم يا أيها العالم يا أيها العالم